Hi there, students. To befriend. To befriend. This means to be friendly towards somebody. But to be friendly, especially somebody who's in need or help of support, a newcomer. So he makes a point to befriend anybody who is new at the company. I was befriended by a stray cat that seemed to follow me about all day. I think it was hoping that I was going to take it home and feed it, but to befriend. Let's see, to befriend. Is this to make friends with someone? No, it's to be friendly too. But very often people who befriend you, well, they may be doing it for good reasons, but they may also have their own hidden agenda. I think as a tourist, you get befriended by people who want to sell you goods and services. Okay, so to back, to help, to support. You befriend somebody who's lonely, who's far from home. And that's, yeah, that would definitely be with good intentions, but to befriend. Okay, so if somebody befriends me, normally I wonder why. Maybe that's because I'm a suspicious person. To assist, to favour, to try to help. It's a story about an elderly woman and a young man who befriends her. Okay, if somebody befriends you, it doesn't mean you're friends. To befriend is to try to be friends with, to be nice to somebody, to try to be helpful to them, to be around, to assist as a friend of, to favour. Okay, let's see. I looked in internet, it said that to befriend, you can befriend somebody in social media. But I would say no, I think the verb is to friend. Yeah, you friend someone on a social media. But to befriend is to be friendly, to be helpful to somebody. A stray dog befriended her when she was lonely. So to befriend, it's act in a friendly way towards somebody. Okay, when I was at college, I befriended a young student from Taiwan. Okay, so to befriend, to be helpful too, but very often if somebody's trying to befriend me, I've always got this sneaking suspicion. Why do they want to do this? What's behind it? So to befriend, to be very nice to somebody, to try to help them and look after them a bit when they're in need of help or support. I think formality, I'm going to give this a 6, a 5. I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use it anywhere. And befriend, to be friendly with, is clearly the origin. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To befriend.